Why do I need water heater maintenance? Okay, so here's why you and your family should maintain your water heater every year. Save your money, number one. So obviously it's about saving money, right? My passion, or our passion at Angel Water, is to actually make your family more healthy and save you money. Now, whether you have a power vent, that's actually this guy here. This has a powered fan that actually blows the exhaust up and out of the house, and usually you can run it through PVC piping. There's also what's called a standard flue vent. That's where that doesn't have that on there, and we have to use a metal vent to vent the natural gases out of the house. Now, no matter which one you have, we strongly recommend that you do annual service on it. Yes, annual service basically means that our service techs come out and make sure that number one, the most important thing is the water is clean. Yeah, why is that important? Let me explain it to you. First of all, we have water droplet. Now, with almost everyone's water in America, there's rock, there's iron, there's organics attached to the water droplet. So what happens is when you heat that water, those organics pop off, and they usually get attached to what's called a magnesium rod inside. So the rock gets attached to the magnesium rod, but if it gets overdosed or there's too much rock that gets into it, a lot of times that magnesium breaks and falls to the bottom. We need to actually flush this stuff out. Now, you can think about that for a second. If you have white film on your faucets, if you have orange staining in your toilets, maybe gray staining toilets, then what that's telling you is that there's rock attached to your water droplet. I can't tell you how many times customers or plumbers reach out to us and they're like, hey, I'm talking with my client here. I've replaced their water heater a couple of times, and I keep telling them the water heater's not broken, their water's broke. Yes, the water's broke. The rock, the iron, the calcium, all that stuff is attached to that water droplet, and as a result of heating it, it falls to the bottom of the water heater. Thus, what it does is it builds up like a brick on the bottom of the water heater. That's why every year or every 6 months, you should be flushing the water heater. That's what this valve is for. Actually, that's pigeon-toed. You can see about 2 inches from the bottom. So a lot of times we go to flush this water heater, and guess what? Nothing comes out because all the rock falls to the bottom and builds up over time and then covers that little hole. We want to flush that out every single year. Sometimes we even have to take the magnesium rod out and put in a new magnesium rod. In fact, there's a new electrical magnesium rod that works fantastic for a lot of our customers. That said, annual maintenance is very important to extend the life of this guy. Now, you can imagine water heaters today, do you think they're made as well as they were made, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years ago? No, they're not. Just like everything, manufacturers keep reducing products and changing products to reduce the overall cost because they're so worried about pricing. So that's why it's extra important for you to follow the directions of the manufacturer, which is to flush the water heater and change the magnesium rod when it's required. We are always here to support you should you want us to do that. That's part of our annual service when we come out to your house. So if you have any further questions, reach out to me anytime. You can comment below or call us at 847-382-7800. As you know, I'm Drew, and I'm here to serve you.